You've got a dish soap for your dishes, a body wash for your shower, a laundry detergent for your clothes, and a separate natural cleaner for your counters. 4 bottles, 4 price tags, all doing a version of the exact same job. That's not because your house needs 4 different formulas, it's because plant oil soap has been artificially split into a dozen specialized products that all trace back to one base ingredient. 1 bottle of Castile soap replaces 25 different products across your entire house, and the oldest version of this formula dates back over 1,000 years to Aleppo, Syria. Stay with me to the end, because I'm walking through every single use, room by room. Household product brands profit from fragmentation, splitting one biodegradable plant oil soap into a dish formula, a body formula, a floor formula, and a laundry formula multiplies your spending 4-fold on ingredients that are chemically almost identical at the base. Castile soap's saponified olive oil formula has existed since before the 8th century, and that's exactly the kind of one-bottle solution a multi-billion-dollar personal care and cleaning industry has no incentive to point out. Kitchen, 6 uses. Dishes at 1/4 teaspoon per sink of water, cutting boards and countertops diluted 1 tablespoon per cup of water, produce washing at 1 teaspoon per bowl of water, microwave interiors, stovetop grease, and garbage disposal deodorizing using a few drops directly down the drain. Aleppo soap makers were combining olive oil with laurel oil using the same saponification process as early as the 8th century, and the plant-based surfactants cut grease without leaving synthetic residue behind. Total kitchen cost, roughly 10 cents per use from 1 $9 bottle. Bathroom, 6 uses, body wash at a dime-sized amount, shampoo, diluted 1 tablespoon per cup of water, since Castile alone can leave hair slightly waxy without dilution, toilet bowl cleaning, at 2 tablespoons directly in the bowl, tub and tile scrubbing mixed with baking soda for extra abrasion, mirror cleaning, diluted 1 teaspoon per 2 cups water, and hand soap refills at full concentration in a foaming pump. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: mixing Castile soap with vinegar. The acid instantly curdles the soap into a chalky, useless film, so keep your acidic cleaners in a completely separate bottle. Laundry and fabric, 4 uses. As a stain pre-treater applied directly to fabric, a delicate hand wash detergent at 1 tablespoon per basin, a full-load detergent substitute at 1/4 cup per load, and a wool or cloth diaper wash since it's free of synthetic brighteners that irritate sensitive skin. A load using Castile costs roughly 12 cents versus 25 to 35 cents for commercial detergent pods. Floors and surfaces, 5 uses. Hardwood floors at 1/4 cup per gallon of warm water, tile and grout scrubbing paired with baking soda, car interior upholstery diluted 1 tablespoon per cup, patio furniture cleaning at full dilution strength, and pet paw washing after walks, since it's free of the synthetic fragrances linked to skin irritation in a 2017 veterinary dermatology review. Pets and outdoors, 4 uses. A gentle pet shampoo diluted 1 tablespoon per cup of water, insect removal from garden vegetables at a light spray diluted in a spray bottle, houseplant leaf cleaning to remove dust buildup, and washing muddy boots or gardening tools after outdoor work. Castile soap struggles against hard water, where it can leave a slight film if not diluted correctly, and it won't disinfect against bacteria on its own without pairing it with vinegar or peroxide in a separate step. This is a multi-purpose base, not a one-ingredient miracle for every single job. 1 $9 bottle replacing 25 separate products versus $80 to $120 you'd spend buying each of those individually. If this just cleared out half your cabinet, hit that like button. It tells me what breakdown to film next. Subscribe to the channel if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me which of these 25 uses surprised you most and which one you're trying first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.